Young man, I came here to thank you, and also to discuss your question from earlier. If you hadn't told me about your life, if you hadn't run into that fight, I would have been a worthless bystander watching from the crowd. You told me you didn't have a power, so when I saw this timid, quirkless boy try to save a life, it inspired me to act too. There are stories about every hero, how they became great. Most have one thing in common. Their bodies moved before they had a chance to think. Young man, you too can become a hero. To overcome the crisis in front of you.
By giving everything you've got!
And save people.
No matter the cost!
That's what makes someone
A hero!